Now fine, sir?
Voice is clear, sir. Voice is clear.
Yeah. Thank you. Thank you for that. Today we are going to see that blockchain mining. Before that, we will start with basics of blockchains that you already heard about. What is blockchain? What is block? What is consensus algorithm? These are the things you already know. But I'm asking we are all in India. India, there is a legal approval for blockchain. Is there any legal approval for blockchain? I'm asking questions. If you're willing to answer in voice, you can answer in voice. Otherwise, you can ping that answers in chats.
My basic question is it required?
Yep, this is required. Why? Because you are going to start learning about that blockchain, right? If it is useful in India, means you are going to teach some students. They will survey in our India or other countries also. That's why I'm asking questions like that.
Okay.
Blockchain is legal in India. That is my question. Thanks for that response, Srimati. Let me share my screen so you can understand. I'm sorry. Okay. Screen, right? All right.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. We will. We are able to see.
Yeah. Let's say I will sign in my account. Yeah. You can see my wallet. Like I have Ethereum tokens with a money of 1,015 rupees. In my account, I try to add our bank details. You can see funding methods, add bank account, India. You can see the message, right? Then how it will be a yes?
So we got a good answer from Sivalashmi, Professor Sivalashmi. Technology is allowed, not the Bitcoin.
Not the Bitcoin. This is not a Bitcoin. This is Ethereum one. You can see the cryptocurrency, Ethereum, Bitcoin, all are comes under cryptocurrency, right? You can see that Brave. This is Ethereum token. Is there any answers? Okay, we will move on. Let's say there is a India does not allow for legally, but they are allowing for companies like blockchain based companies and then blockchain buy and sell. Is your account? Why? Because I have one like Binance. In this also I have a balance Bitcoin. I have to deposit and withdraw with my credit cards. If you have a Visa credit card or Master credit card, they are allowing. They are not allowing for Rupee card. These things they are not allowing. And then if in some countries they are allowing for if you are going to purchase something in Amazon, like any laptop with your cryptocurrency, they are allowing. In Korea's they are allowing, but in India there is no way for invest some crypto to product. That is what our government get blocked. But cryptocurrency you can exchange between to use that. Let's say I can transfer this Brave token to Mr. Kannan sir account, like Ethereum transfer. Can convert that Brave token into his account wallet. That is the main thing. If we transfer means we can't track the uh, addresses. Why? Because in every block, if somebody is saying I have a balance, so how you know the balances? If we give a public address, with that public address you are looking up with that chain blockchain, and then you are fetching that this is the balance he have. Okay, government, how the government will track that details? That is the main thing they are blocking. And then next thing, I have a simple story. Like this is just like a story. There is a king assigning some for 12 soldiers to watching the surroundings of the country. Is there any activities or not? Soldier 1, soldier 2, soldier 3. Enemies by these soldiers. And then the enemy says, you don't show our activity to your king. That other soldiers are saying, hey king, some activities are happening in enemy activities is happening. So the king is identifying which word is true. The maximum majority is like 9 soldiers saying activities is present. 3 soldiers are saying activity is not present. So let's consider as a instead of king, you just as a blockchain or consensus here instead of king. Blockchain instead of soldiers, you can assume like miners and like the nodes. You can nicely ledgers with every nodes. And then if enemy means hackers. Hackers hackers can do anything in this way. Why? Because all are digitalized. Hackers made a 3 nodes as small functionalities. But other nodes are like not visible. Okay, see, yeah, you can see. Yeah, the consensus algorithm will work on here. The majority of 51 percentage, if that is like true cases like greater than 51 percentage, it will be taken by the every blockchain, not only Ethereum. It's like a Bitcoin or Aeon, Vanchain, or in Tezos or Hyperledger. This is what happening. If hackers hacks these nodes, but rest of nodes will act as you have a questions like hackers hacks all the nodes. What it will happen? The blockchain gets distracted. That is what happened. This is what real fact. And then let's move to the session like Bitcoin mining like this is for one kind of earning. Like if you are mining in a real life, like you are getting some assets in the physics. Like the same way you are doing any cryptocurrency mining, you will get rewards. Like if you are doing any jobs, you will get a salary like that. And then yeah, what is mining? This answer you know already about the mining, but let me show something in a mining level. Obstacle. This transaction not minus. If there is no minus section into our this is what minus like. How we can do the mining have some specialized like kind of hardwares involved. If you the majority peoples are in easy, I think so. So you guys know that hardwares, how the motherboard and then CPUs, other motherboard and then graphics process, and then how we can do the processors, the GPU processor, CPU processor. Is that there is a difference between CPU and GPU. The CPU and then performance wise, this is a 8x speed of GPUs. Like if you want to do a, if you create a transactions in a blockchain, it will create apps. Everyone says like it will do some puzzle solving in the backend, and then that verifier will be, that miners will do a puzzle solving. What is happening in that actually in the puzzle solving? Yeah, let consider as a, this is one block, one miner pick these jobs. Okay, let's type, let's consider, let's notice down 40 and then F72. This is the hash for the block, hash for the transaction. Let I type I, it will change. The whole data will be converted into ECOC or SH256 by 32. That's why. If minus doing, if mine, what actually minus doing means, he is just try to figure out that four zeros, like alternating that nuns. This is what miner doing in a programmatic level in minor hardwares. Like if you are doing a process in a GPU, that will be a slower one. If you are doing a GPU processor, that is a faster one. That's why the gamers are liking more hardware in GPUs, like 2 GB, 16 GB, 18 GB. That kind of improvement they are doing, that's why. And then if you are entering, okay, we can't find it. The miner will do a looping with that nuns. They will find the actual number of nuns for the block. Once it is verified, you can get the actual 40 D. Then the block will get added to the blockchain. This is what happening in that puzzle solving. And then it is like there is no miners. What blockchain will do? Never, any transaction never entered into our blockchain. That is miners is a back. He plays a main role in every blockchains. Like if you are, if you want to transfer some amount to some person, he will say like, hey man, I need, for transferring this amount to that person, we need to charge this kind of, this amount of charges. We will charge from you. If you accept, you can transfer. This is what happening in that blockchain. Let's take it as a traditional computing. Like if you're going to bank, if you are transacting more than 20, so charging for transfer one bank to one bank. But here, there is one blockchain. If I am giving like 5 ether to another person, that is the simplest way. In this blockchain, Ethereum will do like Ethereum transfers, but some cryptocurrencies also like support multi-currency transfers, like Wanchain. Let me show that. This cryptocurrency will support multiple currencies. You can transfer from van chain to Ethereum to Bitcoin to a van chain. Is that kind of transfer this blockchain is allowing? But Ethereum, there is no cross chain platform. That's why the van chain is getting growth. But the van chain also forked from Ethereum only. And if the job king, this is like kind of job, that mining. If you are doing a job, you can get a salary. The same kind, you are that pending transactions in blockchain. You are seeing that all the pending transactions. Okay, this fees is fine for me. You can pick the block, and then you are doing a transaction. Block also there is some limitations, in Ethereum. Yeah, there is a limit for, you can see, if the block has you have a two. Let me show it. Wait. Yeah, here you can see that one chain I have 100 EOS, BTC, Ethereum. They are giving this kind of multi exchange. They are giving like one chain to EOS, one chain to Bitcoin, one chain to Ethereum. These kind of things they are allowing. This is, for example, I am showing like exchange between some other. Okay, let's see this. Uh, Block size is like 8 lakhs. In that block, there are 5 transactions are in a pending stage. Okay, let's take it as first transaction will take 1 lakh. Second transaction will take 2 lakhs. Third transaction will take 4 lakhs. Fourth will take again 1. It will take this one block. So the fifth transaction will occupy with another block, so that you can see that it is used 99.7%. It will occupy with this block. Otherwise, the miner will create a new block. The miners only can create the blocks in the blockchains. Uh, Anyone out with this? To this? Hello.
Sir, may I ask one doubt, sir?
Your voice is audible. Can you type in chat? How gas price and gas? That things are decided by user. If you are doing a transaction, you are the payer. You are going to define. Okay, if you want to make it as a faster transaction, you need to give a high gas price. If you are giving a high gas price, the miners will take a job quickly. If you are giving very low gas price, you can see that some transactions in like a month or a day also. showing there is, you can see that. You can see that sometimes it will be a month also it will take for committing a transaction. Let's see if you are giving like we need for faster transaction, you are giving faster transaction faster, like you need to enter like 1 ether. You are giving like 0.0005 ether, but miner looking is very low. And then mining cost also, this is very waste. If you are doing a transaction for mining this transaction, they won't pick any jobs like with this gas price. They will look up with greater than some amount. If I am a miner, I am looking at the all the pending transactions like 20 or 50 pending transaction is there. The miner will look like 0.1 ether greater than jobs only I need to. So time your transaction will be in a pending state only. Within a day or a month or a year, it will be take. Yeah. Any other questions? Your voice is breaking. Try to your reconnect, Miss, Sir, Mrs. Srimati. Yeah, we can go on. Yes, points. Mr. Mohammed, after this, we show it like uh, transaction. I'll explain that gas price. What is gas price? The details I will explain. How can I know difference between Bitcoin and Ethereum? Yeah. Bitcoin, there is have some functionality called UTXO. In Bitcoin, UTXO. But Ethereum
Arun
address
Kumar,
to,
just increase the font size. As others cannot able to see that.
okay, sir. Yeah. This is fine, sir. Hello.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Yes.
Yeah. Fine. First question is like that gas points I will explain in our session also have Ethereum transaction. Today I will explain in that evening session, and then let me explain that. Yeah, sure. Uh, Let me explain this difference between Bitcoin and Ethereum first. Bitcoin transaction as like UTXO. Ethereum is address to address. How UTXO means like consider as 0x1 is address. We have 50 BTC. We want to transfer like me and Kanan sir. My address is like 0x2 and then Kanan sir address is 0x3. Let's transfer 10 BTC to me, 10 BTC to Kanan sir. Let's create a transaction like in BTC 0x1. It is input node. It will create three output nodes like 0x1 of 80, comma 0x2 of 10, comma 0x2 sorry x3 of 10. So once the transaction is completed, probably he will receive 10. He will receive 10. And this what updated as like 30 PTC. This is what happening in a UTXO. UTXO, like you are splitting the nodes into 3 parts and then dividing that amount into 3 parts. But in Ethereum, I have address like 0x1. I'm going to in this 10 Ethereum. Okay. To transfer condenser account like 0x2. I want to transfer like 5 ether. 5 ether from 01 to 2. This is address to address. Like 0x1 is our my address, and then this is condenser address. During the situation 10 ether, I have a nonce. Length of the account 1. In initially this is have 0 ether. So the nonce is 1. Let's transfer is completed. Transfer is completed. Let's 0x1 have 5 ether. Nonce is 2. 0x2 have 5 ether. Same. You can understand, right? None. Let's show in that ether scan. Let's check this address. Yeah. In this address, and I'm just opening this and this. There is 2 transactions. You can see the position value like 1 by 1 blocks. 1207. Here 1206. This is what happening in Ethereum. Get understand Bitcoin and Ethereum. Hello. Neela Maheshwari, I think. This is what I explained in a transaction level. This is what I explained in transaction level. But in future level, Bitcoin does not have like any improvement protocols like contracts or EIP programs. Ethereum improvement protocol. In Ethereum, there is an improvement protocol, but in Bitcoin, there is no support in contract, and then these things. Token support is not there. Okay, please, we want to learn from basic. We are not getting. Okay. Okay, let's see that. What is mining means? We are getting a jobs, and then we are completing the jobs, and then we are getting the rewards for the jobs. That is the mining in cryptocurrency. Like you are getting one process, sorry, one transaction. You are transferring some amount to your friend account. That does not transfer directly to the your friend account. Some middle persons needs to process your transaction and then verify and then authorize your transaction. Then only your transfer will get success. That is what miner doing. And that without miners, there is no transaction flow will happen in blockchain. That is what that is the main thing. If miner means your transaction will be a queue, and then it will take time to add it into a block, and then in blockchain creating a new block is main thing that is doing uh, blockchain miners. That is doing by my blockchain miners. And then we will move on to next slide. Sorry. This is about same like why miners are needed. Without miners, there is no blocks is generated, and then there is no transaction registered in our blockchain, and then our transaction also in a pending state only. That's why we need miners. If you are doing any larger payments, if you are transferring, let's say, if you transfer like 100 ether, this is a big amount you are transferring to Kananchar account. Kananchar account you are transferring. Okay, the transaction is getting completed in blockchain ways. The transaction is completed. We can take it some transaction latest transactions. Yeah, this transaction is completed. One block this is the one block means one miner confirm is the two transactions. We can add it into a blockchain. But larger payments we need to wait up to 20. We need to wait for confirmation if it is happening. I deposit here. You can see that. If you are moving with any exchange, they will wait for a minimum 20 confirmations. If you are doing any big transactions or any other they will wait for 20 confirmations. These 20 confirmations are happening by 20 miners. They are verifying your blocks and they are adding. Okay. And then next thing is the difficulty calculations. You can see that for achieving that miners needs to rotate that nonce and then they can find that actual hash. Once the actual hash is find it, they will add it to the true transaction blockchain. And then important terms in blockchain mining, the miner who is miner, they have bought some hardwares and then they are imported mining things network level and then hardware level and then power consumptions also they need to maintain. They have like uh, big mining farms also they can build. You can search it Bitcoin, not only Bitcoin miners, crypto miners means you can see that how many rigs are there have already have how they are maintaining how uh, doing mining. The big miner farms are not doing any particular cryptocurrency. They multiple cryptocurrencies minings. That is what the mining farms will do. Block reward. In the block reward, let's see the real world itself. Yeah. Here you can see the miner name is Ether miner. He processed 200 transactions. He earned about 6.53, 6.46513. So let's open this block. you can see that there is 200 transactions, 40 internal transaction is in the block. So every transaction have a gas price. Like every transaction have a gas price. Like this is what actually miner going to get. Some of these transactions he will get into whole amount. Like this is what the miner will get for particular block. You can see that. And then if you have a like miners like not only Ethereum, Aeon, OneChain, all the cryptocurrencies have mining platforms. Like if you can do like ETH miner, the Ethereum platform will giving a mining pool. Like let's say you can see that these are the miners adopted with platform, and then they are doing a blocks by block numbers. They are registering into this is official tool which is used for mining. And then next one, mining pool. This is one mining pool, and then like if you have a mining hardware, you can't do directly the mining. Why? If you are starting doing a mining, you need to pull entire blockchain into your local disk. Once your local disk is synchronized with every node, then only you can start mining. That is individual mining. Let's see, I will show something in my. Yeah, let's see, this is a test node for Ethereum. This is like already used 133 GB. So if we are pulling entire blockchain into our local node, it will take more time, like 1 week or like 2 weeks also it will take based on your on network, and then your processing. Like if you are using normal hard disk, you can't do any minings. You need to do with SSD, solid state drive. If you are buying a solid state drive like 1 TB, it will around 9K. And then if you can see that this is like we are started let's show that you can see that like see get logs. Yeah, you can see that this is importing every blocks into my local drive. Importing block like block number, start, end, how many blocks are there in imported into my local drive. This will show like 54, 42. This kind of informations will be happen in a Git that is used for starting a node. Instead of pulling every data, we can join the data already there in some minus bit mining form. We can just attach with our mining into that pool. So the data are get shared, so we can do a jobs with that mining pool. So the data is provided by mining pool, so they are charging will like 1%, 2%. So you have to check which mining pool is giving a low percentage of fees. This you need to understand. Like you need to search like different mining pools. What are the mining pools in present for Ethereum or Bitcoin or any cryptocurrency? You have to sit and check mining pools. In if you are doing a Google, you can check the get the mining pool list. These are the mining. You can see that in a screen also. Like ETH miner, Nanopool miner, Spark, Ether miner. In that screenshot, you can see that maximum like Nanopool. These are the miners are big plays big role in blockchains. Everyone understand that mining pool and then previous sessions. Is there any doubts? Block reward.
Sir, is block reward and the gas points so somewhat, if it is related?
Yeah, yes. If you are paying a transaction for gas, you are giving a gas. The transaction is going to the miner will process your transaction. The miners will get the transaction fees as your gas price. Understand?
Reward and gas price is same. Yes, sir.
Yeah. Yeah, that's only I am explaining. Here, like for particular block, you have this much of transactions. Every transaction have a gas price. You can see that. Like yeah, every transaction have a gas price. The sum of all the transaction gas price will goes to one miner, but as a block reward. Yeah, you can see that. The sum of all the transactions gas price.
Sir, I understood. Okay, sir.
Anything else for others? Shall we move on to other things? Next. Okay. To other thing. The hardware. In this, there is two type of hardwares like ASIC and then CPU miners. ASIC is specifically for the Bitcoin mining. For like example, like I have opened. This is two ASIC miners. They are already built it for like Bitcoin mining. For example, the mining if you are starting a mining, you need to focus on how much we can get. That is what mining calculator between outputs. Like let's say mining calculator. Our mining will gives like our miner will gives what is this is 14 th. 14 th means like yeah, this is what we are going to this is in watts and then kilowatts will differ on locations. It will be changed. So these are the things we need to mind it. If we are going to purchase any hardware, this that hardware needs to produce gigahertz of CPU processor. Like if you are taking as any gaming, the gaming will 4 GB graphics card or 8 GB graphics card or 16 GB graphics card. Every graphics card have a hash rate. Based on the hash rate, you will be do mining in the blockchain. If you are doing ASIC miner, this is specialized for bit. You can't utilize anything with this miner to other cryptocurrencies. But if you are buying like a CPU, sorry GPU, you can use for any other cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin, Ethereum, and then what else? OneChain, Aeon, Tron. This kind of cryptocurrencies you can utilize that CPU mining. But in CPU mining, you have to invest more. If you are start mining with 2 GB graphics card with high hash power, every graphics card also like everyone will say like this is a good graphics card, and then this will give high, this will produce high hash rate. But as of now, you have to sit and then check which graphics card is very useful, and then hash rate it will be produced. Based on the hash rate only you can do that calculation in mining side, and then the miner will produce a high profit in your wallet. This is what happening in that graphics card level. But other things, if you are doing like CPU mining, you buy like mining motherboard, and then DDR4 RAMs, and then SSD hard disk only you need to use. Why? Because that fastest access for file accessing, that SSD only useful for mining. And then if you are bought a CPU minings, for example, power adapter, and then motherboard, and then like RAM, and then SSD card. You are going to purchase one CPU, sorry, GPU, like 4 GB graphics card. It is enough, and then you are starting mining. It will give profit like 0.00 some pennies only. And then you need to calculate your electricity charge, and then you need to put a, and then network fees. You have to connect 24/7. You need to connect with internet. Let's see. This is our here we have started our own node. In this node, let's see, the current block is running on 76 something, but highest block is 85. There is a difference of lakhs of blocks. Sometimes the server will get down, or else if you are starting your mining in your home, some power cuts will happen. Means how to sync everything, like from where you stop, you have to pull that remaining blocks, and then only you can start start mining in a blockchain. This is the highest block. You can see that now. This is testnet node. See, 859, just 8 blocks added now. 23 15 minutes ago. This is what happening in that you are starting own node and then own miner, without using pool. Understand? Anyone have a doubt in this?
Arun, post that link to the chat window because others also can open that and then they can also check that what is that, because it's not visible on their side. And same way, yesterday they have not gone through much more on the transaction, how the block, how many transactions is required to make a block. So that concept and then smart contract also not yet. We just cover a little bit on that particular part also.
Yeah, sure, sir, sure, sir. But mining side, it will becomes like transactions also. If you are taking anything as a practical one, all the things will comes under every picture. Like they are asking like gas points. Gas points will I am focused on the transaction side. That is in our end of the session, like today end of the session. But that is what is the case, sir. If you are doing a mining, the mining also has some transaction is involved. So we need to explain everything in that class. Everyone understand the concepts like mining. Mining is a simple definition. If you are doing any transaction, the transaction will be executed by miners. The miners will validate and then get your gas fees, and then he will add your transaction into block. That is the definition. With this part, like I shared some get details. I think gas points are the fees fixed by the miners for performing block functions. Yeah, obviously. Yeah. That is fine. If you're doing a transaction, you are going some gas limit. These all points will come under our next sessions. That's why not covered. There is you are setting like 60,000 gas limit. If your transaction crossing this limit, your transaction is getting failed. Your transaction will be processed within the gas limit. That's why we are in Ethereum. The user will determine the gas limit. Per block, 80 lakhs gas price is the maximum gas price. If your transaction crossing that 80 lakhs, your transaction will be failed. Like you can see. Yeah, here. These are the contract reverts will happen. This is also will be a failure transactions. You are getting clear. Within the gas limit, he can get the reward. If that gas limit is crossing, means the transaction will be failed. Okay. If you want to make it as a big profit, you need to invest more than 3 lakhs. More than 3 lakhs for buying a CPU, sorry, GPU, and then graphics. For mining, there is some specialized motherboard also there. In Google or Amazon, you can search it like mining hardwares. They are giving like some specialized hardwares for mining. But some people are selling like we are built at mining rig. You can buy with 3 lakhs. That is not useful. You need to buy every hardware with your understanding, and then you need to check how much it will be produce the output. That is what you need to check in a real market. And then let's move to other. The hash power calculations, like in every each second how that block finding will happen, like these calculations per second, how your miner, how it will be performed like per second. It's like processing speed, clock speed, like kind of clock speed per second, how many puzzles it will be solving by your miner. And then second, difficulty is like you can see that difficulty level in every transactions. The block difficulty is defined here. This many combinations of clock rotations happen in a difficulty level. After this only the block is get confirmed. This is what total difficulty. This is what total difficulty for every transaction. and then kilowatts. This is like same like you are using your power. If you are using any devices, the device will occupy some kilowatts or some power will consume. That is what the per hour how much it will be take. So this miner will take like up to 1379 kilowatts. So if we enter like how much it is giving, 14 th 14 th, and then 1300 means it will gives like per day it will give like 1.1 dollar, and then per month it will be like here I not enter like kilowatts per watts how much it will be charging in Tamil Nadu, and then other states it will be changing. Like in Tamil Nadu there is a free current also there. If you are using power loan, you can utilize that power also. But in other states there is some high fees or low fees. Based on that you can calculate and then enter here. In Tamil Nadu it will be like 0.56. It will be a not profitable. We need to run like high hash rate like 140. We need to add one more rig on that. If you are buying this anti miner, we need to buy 2 or 3 or 4. That power consumption also will comes under double and twice. And then consensus algorithm, this is what you are already heard about. Consensus algorithm, here you can see that it is running every time. And then for finding a blocks, if I can 7, 8, 9, 10, this kind of calculation he need to run in per second. For every rotations he need to check. This is what he is saying. And also this story also comes under consensus algorithm. Like 3 soldiers are saying false. False means some nodes are hacked by our some other hackers. So other nodes are synchronized normally. So that blockchain will identify 51 percentage of minus result. This is what consensus algorithm running in a blockchain work. And then consensus algorithm, it is like nearby 9 algorithm is there. Mainly the Bitcoin using proof of work, and then Ethereum also using proof of work. But Ethereum 2.0 is moved into proof of stake. For example, proof of and then delegate proof, and then ledger based consensus algorithm, and then Robin based. Some blockchains will use disk spaces like EOS blockchain. Yeah, you can see that in Ethereum or Bitcoin, you never see that RAM, but in EOS blockchain you can see storage space. Here there is no like currencies. If you want to make it a transactions, you need a space for the transaction. This is what it EOS blockchain. This consensus algorithm will change on every based on every blocks. Let's say proof of work means like normal miners. Let's do a miners like if you are doing any kind transactions like me to condenser with 580 let's take it as the same example. Yeah, this Bitcoin transactions, let's do 50-30. These transactions will be miner will listen, and then okay do this the miner will check this UTXO, and then this UTXO, and then this UTXO for mining. Once the transactions are matched and then get verified, that will publish into blockchain network. The same like Ethereum. But Ethereum 2.0 moved into Ethereum 2.0 is launched, and then they are in a testing level. But it normal Ethereum in proof of work only. If they are moved into proof of stake, there is no Bitcoin mine. There is only the verifier is there. For example, if you have a Ethereum, 10 Ethereum, you will be act as a miner. How? Let's say somebody do a transaction like 5 to 10, 5 to 1% to another person. You are taking the transaction. Okay, for verification I am charging this percentage of gas, but you are giving that something like investment and then return, like verification will happen in proof of stake. Let's see the difference in that proof of work. Every miner needs to run like a razor. They need to pick up that block, yeah, very fastly. Then only the rewards will get credited into miner part. Let's say like there is thousands of pending transactions. There is a 10 miners. The miner one picks like let's see, 5 miners is there. Let's current block number is 10. 11th block he need to add with some transactions. 11th block will done by first miner. 11th block done by first miner. Other miners also will do the same thing. Will confirm the block, 11th block. Let's say 12th block is coming. The second miner get confirmed initially, and then rest of 1, 3 to 5th miner involving. So who is taking that block is get rewarded first miner. Here the 12th block reward will goes to second miner, but he is getting reward. One also one to 1, and then 3 to 5 fifth miners also will get rewards as well as. No, second miner only will get the rewards. These guys will confirm the blocks, like you can see that the miner get rewards. Rest of transactions other miners will get confirm, will do a confirmations. Okay, this transaction is true transactions, like two confirmations. Two miners are confirmed. One is initial miner, another one the rest of things is like other miners. This is what happening in the proof of work. There is a validator. He have some amount in a stack. He will use that amount for adding the block, and then he will get percent of gas for the amount. The same thing I explained in this 50% here. They are saying if the network is 51%, majority of 51%, it will be a true valid so they are adding. Is there any hackers involved, and then that things are neglected. If for example, if you have a 5 nodes, one node is a hacker node, other 4 node as a normal node, means the normal 4 normal nodes are synchronized as a parallel, and then another node will give an exception like you are not correct. Consensus algorithm will check you are not synchronized with properly, or say they were say, and then they will forcefully stop that node, fifth node. This is what happened in that node side. And then the same reward will get first miner, and then the same as well as making a block. Is there any doubt for previous consensus algorithm in blockchain? Shall we move on? Any questions? Okay, let's sections. It's like how we can do a Bitcoin mining. Yes, same content will be repeat. Like if you are doing if you are going to start like mining part. Let's say, hey, I am going to start mining in my home. What are the things you need to do means you need to have a crypto wallet. For example, if you are doing a Ethereum, you need a Ethereum wallet, or else if you are doing a Bitcoin wallet is must. And then if you are doing like any other cryptocurrencies like EOS, chain, other things means you need a wallet. If how to find a wallet means every blockchain have a separate wallet. For example, let's take it as a Ethereum. These are the wallets present in our Ethereum platform. If you are switching into any Bitcoin means Bitcoin, there is a Electrum is a one of the one of the it's open there. You can download in a Electrum itself. Let's say you can see that. Yeah. Your wallet also will synchronize with live now. For example, this is I opened a few days before. Let's say you can see that these are the transaction done by me, and then this is the receiver address. That Bitcoin there is one advantages is that receiving address you can have it, but you can use for particular public key and then private key pair. This is what one most advantage in Bitcoin. But Ethereum there is no, just only one public address, one private key for every account. This is what the wallet section in briefly. If you are in wallets, you can see that official website. Then you can get it. If you are going to do in a Bitcoin mining, you need a definitely you need a Bitcoin wallet. So let's say it as a Ethereum. Every miner address. This is the miner address. Let's say he is received these transactions. Miner have a individual addresses. Other cryptocurrencies also have a wallets like chain. They are supporting for desktop, offline, mobile kind of wallets they are offering. Once you are created your account, you need to merge your account into miner. Then, if you are doing a mining, your rewards will directly credited into the account like this. The miner get this much of rewards into the wallet directly without any did you understand about that wallets? How Bitcoin, how mining will mining rewards goes to that account? Is there any doubt? Let's say exchange, not only Bitcoin exchange. Like if you have a crypto, like this is locked out. Let's say this is one of the exchange, and then Binance also will be a one of the exchange. You need to choose if you are to start mining. Let's say in your wallet you stored like 500 ether. You want to get that ether for spending that amount into like electricity charge or network charge you have to pay, right? So that thing you need to exchange. You need a exchange. But in India, the exchange is possible. How means if you are saying, hey, this is what I have. You if you are like I am giving this much of ether to this much of amount without knowledge of government, then you can do these kind of transactions will happening in real world. Let's say in my Telegram, somebody ask like I have this much of BTC. If you tell for transactions, I will give a percentage. This kind of jobs also you can get it in real world. But before the taking any transactions, you need to identify. Hey, share your address. I need to verify. Okay, let's see. This is my address. He is sharing means you can verify. Oh, this much of amount you have in your account or not. Let's say I am giving one Ethereum address. You need to check where means Etherscan. This is the main need. Etherscan. Here you need to check if I am giving like some addresses. Let's take this address. I am entering here. Okay, let's see the balance. 6.13 Ether is there. And then what are the tokens higher? Okay, okay. If somebody giving handshake, let's see. Vanchain address somebody giving. Vanchain also have a explorer. You just type your address and then check your balances here. If you are starting a mining pool also, you can check like if you are entering your address or for example, yeah, if you are entering address, you can see the number of transactions and then your balances also. 41 I have. Okay, let's do mining again. That's for your reference. Every blockchain have a explorer. If you need to search like if I need a explorer, it will give AN blockchain explorer. You can see that. Yeah, this is the explorer. This is the way you need to. Probably you need to check mainnet or testnet. Okay, and then this is the what we need to check in wallet. And then the exchange part, you need to probably find some better exchanges like Uphold or Binance, or else our company also doing some exchange. Yeah. You can exchange with this stuff also. Some companies are doing these kind of solutions for exchanges. Yeah, blockchain is a transparent one, right? You can see. But how you identify that user address? The main thing. Let's say I have a 50 or 20 addresses. Which one is mine? Okay, yeah, that is good. Mm, yeah, this transaction here there is lot of addresses is there. Which transaction is mine? How you find out my address? How you know that? That is the thing. If you know the address, you can see the balance. Definitely, you can see the balance. You can see like Ethereum. Yeah, for the address you can check, but like take it as a real time example like Vijay Malaya. He have a bank account. No, that based on your how it will be secured if we know address. Oh, you are talking about privacy tokens. But if you are coming as a blockchain is a transparent one. In every places you are also read it like this sentence, transparent one. If you have address, you can see the balance. But there is no lookup with which user have this address, right? For example, let's say, yeah, obviously immutable. Wait, I will show the demo. Then you can identify. I have these accounts. I'm going to create one more account. I'm going to create one more account. That initial time I transfer with this account. Okay, let's see. Yeah, at the time I transfer with this account. For other transaction, I will use other address. I can generate more addresses, Ethereum addresses. That is the main thing. I can generate new again and new addresses. Then how you can track me? That is the main thing in blockchain. That's why the government is not allowing the block crypto involving in real world money. For example, in foreign like Korea currencies, they are allowing for cryptocurrencies. Like for if you are going to any shops or ATM, we are built on ATM. For if you are giving Ethereum token or a Bitcoin or a Ethereum or other currencies, it will give as a crypto or fiat currencies. This is what our first project in Chainflux. That ATM is deployed in Korea, not in India. You got answer. You can generate n number of addresses for your without knowing private key. No one can access your account. For example, if you know my address, you can't transfer. Yeah, during the next session, you can understand that how the accounts are securing and then how I will explain in next session. Clear? Anything else? You can unmute and then you can also ask questions. Okay. Next slide is like mining hardware.
So,
Yeah.
can you please listen?
Yeah. Yeah.
Sir, it's Lakshmi. I have a question. It's not a question, whether I have understood it properly or not. That's what I want to know.
Yeah. Yeah. Okay.
So far, what I understood is earlier, before attending this workshop, I thought mining is a process which will be done for inserting a block in a chain. And later on, while listening to your lecture, now what I have understood is a mining is a process which would be done for even a transaction within an existing block, or for even creating a new block inside within the chain. Is that right?
Mining is a process for creating a new block.
So just a new block. So far what you've explained is
Creating a block, and then he can get the rewards for the block. For let's say example
and,
of block is
and even
80
those
lakh.
reports are assumed by the user, right? The one who creates will set the gas point initially, saying that this is a gas point, that is gas limit I'm setting. And if he tries to achieve that, now okay, the other miners who's verifying that will say, okay, you successfully done that, and will pay back the same reward, or that is what I'm not picturizing properly.
Yeah.
Who is paying
Uh,
actually that?
Open that mainnet. Okay, this is the Ethereum mainnet.
Oh,
Okay, you can see the block. Okay, this is what 402 is ended with one block. I am just opening that block in new window. Okay, in that there is a 121 transaction is there.
the one block.
Yeah, per block 127 transaction is there. In this transaction, you also can perform the transaction. Your transaction also present. My transaction also will present. Some other transactions present. So
Oh, I
I
have
say,
to take it in this way, sir. Like within a block, n number of user can be encountered with it. Is that I should assume?
instead of using user, you can use
Oh,
n number of transactions. So every
okay.
transaction there is a gas price, right? If you are for example, real world example, you are assigning one jobs, some data entry jobs to some other person. Okay, this is my budget like 7K, but for giving more, that person is saying 7K is not possible, so the transaction is failed. So the person not taking any job, you obviously your transaction is failed on that place. Let's say you are assigning one jobs to other person. That person, okay, I am okay with that. I will take the jobs. I will finish that work within the budget. The budget is the cash limit. You are sitting here every transaction.
Okay, sir. And now I understand.
This is your budget. Your transaction needs to run within the budget only. Once the transaction is success, the reward will be the sum of other all the transaction. Here you can see that
Okay. Yes, sir.
wallet address.
So if some other person,
Yeah. Hello.
sir, if say suppose one transaction has been accepted and yes, successfully got into that block. If some other person tries to do the same work with some other gas limit, and I would like to know what kind of job a block. So initially the block would be first created, right? I should assume take it in that way. So within that
Let,
block,
let me
whoever
show that
is
block.
trying to
How the
access.
block is getting created. just I'm showing that how the blocks is getting created. You can see the percentage, right?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Once that 100% reached, it will generate new block.
Oh,
Yeah, you can that bucket can put like uh, 12 biscuit buckets. Okay, you have a 11 biscuit buckets. At that time, you are putting into one bucket. You are taking as another bucket. You are getting a bunch of like 5 biscuit buckets separately. You can't put it into old bucket. You need to create a new bucket for 5 transactions. That's why every the bucket is the every block. You can see the transactions. The number is varying, right? Every block the number is varying.
yeah, yes.
Yeah. That opening a blocks, you can see how much gas is used. It is usually placed already 97%. If you are adding one more transaction, is not possible. That's why the new block is getting generated. Yeah, you can see that. Yeah, and then your another like accounts related, right? Any have any doubts related address transactions? Okay. Another thing, yeah. Yeah, okay. Thank you. And then the mining pool is same like they're like integers. You can say like ether to v. You need to enter like scale amounts. That ether have some specific scales. 1 ether equal to this much amount of GV. If you are paying any gas prices, you need to give it as a GV format. Like in this content, they are showing like ether format, but actually this is what in a blockchain. I will. In Bitcoin is that's why you are asking the question in Ethereum. Yeah. Ethereum there is a and then very big for and that's why I stated name is Bitcoin and that Bitcoin wallet. This is what the receiving address which is shared by others. If you want to transfer some amount to me, I will give the address into my account. The same as I am to give a recall even to those rewards will directly credit into my wallet. That's for example, if you are doing a mining, the network will give a gas to my account. That is also called transaction. That is also will take is at a take for Bitcoin, like, Binance, or like this guys in real world. Big exchanges is there. Other exchanges also there, but not reliable one. I suggest like Binance This is uphold is I am suggesting. But if you see anything, just analyze before investing funds into exchange. Mining hardware, don't I won't recommend ASIC miner. Why? Because that is supporting only for Bitcoin, not for other currencies. If you are setting your own like power adapter, and then this is enough, I think. And then DDR RAM, DDR4 RAM, and then SSD device. These five investment on these products for best quality. If you buy quality, and then if like that Ethereum architecture like proof of work to proof of stake, they are converted the same as happen in a future in a Bitcoin. The Bitcoin also will get upgraded. So the ASIC miner is doubtful one. Like I won't suggest this as ASIC miner, but this is the low cost miner compared to if you are assemble any hardware. This is the low cost miners. For example, if you have a company or any institution, you have a power, you have a unlimited data, so you can start mining. If you are starting in a home, you need to focus on EAC power, and then unstoppable power. Like let's assume like UPC power is also needed. Okay, but in organization the power cut is not happen. That's why I'm recommending, if you have any institution, you just read the mining hardware details, and you guys already running labs and then servers, right? This is also same like for some kind of uh, uh, server. If you are starting, it will gain automatically. Anyways, you are going to spend power and then network, right? So this is the one kind of investment for big institution or any kind of organizations. And then mining pool, let's say nano pool is there. I am talking with that guy. Okay, let add my miner to your pool. Okay, what is the mining pool percentage? They are asking. Yeah, here you can see that these are the mining. You need to select. You can search and select best mining pool per percentage. If you are gaining a percentage like 5 ether, they will charge 1%. 1% of 5 ether, it will be goes to mining pool. Why? Because they are providing services, right? The n number of mining pools is there. You need to sit and analyze what percentage is best for us for benefits like earning. If you are getting very low mining like 1% means that's why I'm recommending, if you're ready to invest, invest high. And then every block you can add and confirmations with the mining. Uh, the pool have a central system. Your mining will connect with each other things. If somebody have a high configuration, he will get definitely he will do the first block confirmation. So he will receive the block reward. This is the main concern. Thank you. Anything else? You can ask me anything in this 15 minutes in the chat. If you have any doubts regarding mining hardware, No one have doubt. Can you differentiate blockchain, Bitcoin, and Ethereum? Yeah. In transaction, which company for or firm in India? Maximum that Japan and then Korean is only involved in big farm mining. In not, I'm not clear, but small mining pools are running by running our India. If you search in YouTube or any social media, there is a group for that. India mining. They will sales mining rig. They are saying not like mining. They are saying mining rig. That rig you can get like a combo with that graphics card and all the things. Can you differentiate blockchain, Bitcoin, and Ethereum? This is what I repeated already. Okay, once again, in transaction level, I explained okay, specific research scope.
Hello, sir. Sir, sorry for the interrupt. This is coordinator Dr. Baluchan speaking. Dear participants, session 4 attendance link is available in your chat window as well as in your WhatsApp group. Kindly all of you fill your attendance for session 4. Thank you all. Sir, thank you, sir. You can carry on.
Yeah, thank you. Research scope, like in cryptocurrency, sir. In cryptocurrency will get increased. While starting our research in 2 years before, it's like 13 plus. Now they have 20 plus cryptocurrencies. If you want to start your own name with like Shiva Lakshmi, you can start like one crypto name as Shiva Lakshmi, just for that Ethereum network, and then you can start your own currency. For example, if we have a Mahendra institutions, we can cryptocurrency in Mahendra. Research is like you need to do deep research on cryptocurrency, how asymmetric crypto is happening, how the hashing will happening, how we can validate the hashing. This kind of research you can do. Like for example, AI's algorithm. I think most of the people use AI's algorithm. AI's algorithm means there is two parties. You are signing with your private key and then recipient public key, okay, with some messages. You are sharing that message to that person. Recipient will see, oh, we need to decode. He can decode with his private key, and then he can see, oh, this is the message. This is what the cryptocurrency in AES. This is what happening in a chain also. Some blockchains also following this AES algorithms. You need to do deep on cryptography, then you can start working on a new blockchain. That is the good idea for scope research scope. If you have a doubts, you can it has application in healthcare, particularly in drug discovery. How to determine what are tools required. Yeah. First we need to look healthcare, particularly in drug discovery. The use case of blockchain is just showing storage area. Nothing is there. If you are using like your use case, that's up to you. For example, uh, if some data are on related drug deals related means we can track that. For example, in Ethereum, there is one protocol is there. AZ Tech. This is a Ethereum protocol. is like for privacy tokens, zero knowledge proof. Uh, I think one person asked like if I have address, I can see the balance, right? But with this Aztec protocol, you can see anything in blockchain. You can see like then it can- let's see. This is what we created as like INR with a count of 1 lakh. If I enter this address in view that 1000 count, this is a privacy protocol. If some drug deal application uses this privacy protocol, we can track that. That's why I'm telling India does not allow that blockchain related activities. This is the privacy protocol. If symbol is INR, INR have 1 lakh count. This is the like. Let me show that. This will work as a Aztec protocol. This is the EIP. It will say like EIP. For transaction names and websites. Let me come to Satya Narayana. Mr. Narayana, you can understand the drug discovery. If we can make it as a privacy one, we can make it as a privacy one in a blockchain. And the next question is to determine student, what are the tools required? First of all, students needs to understand what is blockchain. That is the main thing. Next thing is how cryptography is working. Another thing is cryptography working means just like encryption, decryption, how he can do like with private key, public key pass. These kind of simulations you can do like for encrypting a message, how to we can decrypt, how we can pass the message. This kind of explanation you can give. That tools I will explain in detail in further sessions. Then you can get good knowledge about tools. Okay, for transactions name some websites. For Ethereum, you can use this website. For that is for testnet. This is for mainnet, and then yes, you can see that. And then what else? Chain Explorer also there. Then Aeon, and then other things like Tezos is there. Many of the blockchain is there. You can see if someone says like, "Hey, I have this cryptocurrency balance," you just ask that cryptocurrency name and then ask address. That's enough for checking the balance. Google it like if any is like Aeon Explorer means Aeon Explorer, Chain Explorer. This will give like that Explorer link. With that in Explorer, you can identify that. Anything else other than that? Have you cleared transaction name or names of some websites? Okay. India cryptocurrency is not allowed for a purpose. We can. Not allowed means it's like you can't purchase with anything. You can purchase with cryptocurrency, but you can play with that with cryptocurrencies. Yeah, I am Indian, right? I am Indian. I have a balance in crypto, right? Yeah. Here I have a balance. Probably you can also get a balance in future. India. That's why I'm buying. I not buy. I earning some ICOs and then I am getting cryptos. Free crypto. Create a hash value is correct. Mining police. It's like for your example, in your institution, you have a centralized server. In that server, if you have a 60 or 100 students, if you are pasting any data, they will just take a copy instead of every system just copying every data you instead of copying just they are open and then update that details. That's why the pool is used. Research topic in this area. Regarding wallet, we will discuss on further. Pool is a storage area. Obviously, the storage area means they have a big farm. So your small things you can adapt with that big food. So you can easily do finding a blocks. Wallet I will explain in detail in our next session, Mr. Raju. Research on it may be, yeah, cloud architecture. Research current topic in this area. You have to study about that hardware level. But because if you are using a normal motherboard as well as a cryptocurrency motherboard is a different one. So you can use like there is a difference. You can deep search on that mining. Many people have a money, but where can buy that mining tools? That is the biggest question in everyone. If you are giving a solution to someone, you can earn money with that. Okay, let's